So this is going to be a video on some of the resources that I'm providing in the Discord. This video is going to be the sectors and how to see what sector is currently trending on the market. So this first website is Bloomberg Sector Performance. As you can see, we have all of the sectors in the stock market, and you could click on this to kind of see what individual sector is trending on the stock market. So for example, information technology, we have semiconductors, hardware and equipment, software services, and then you could get the overview of how the sectors are performing. I believe this is daily. This resets daily. This website's pretty good, just to see what kind of sectors trending. This website's even better, Finviz. So this is the performance by, year to date, 3 month, week, day. The reason why this website's a little bit better is it gives a little bit more insight. So for example, if we go to 1 month performance on technology, you click that, you see what's trending and stuff like that, and then you could kind of filter it from there. But the reason why this website is a little bit better is because you see what's trending for the year, the month, stuff like that. But also, this website provides the individual tickers, right? So for example, we can't see what's trending on this website, but for this website, so let's say we want to see the month performance for technology. We could go to performance, filter it out by month, and then these are the ones that are trending for the month. So you can see what individual companies, where the money's flowing, stuff like that. But also, you could also filter it by the individual industry within the sector technology. So let's say we know that the technology sector is trending for the month, right? Let's say we want to do sector semiconductors for the month, and we want to see what semiconductors are trending for the month. So this would be this list here. So this website is very good when it comes to seeing what individual tickers are trending for the time frame that you have. I would say that the lower the time frame you go, the more risky the investment is going to be. Like the day performance, for example, the day could only be trending because maybe like a bill got passed or Trump is speaking or something like that, and then it shoots up. But I think the higher the time frame you go, the month, the 3 month, and so on and so forth, the more validation and weight something holds with that trending sector. Even maybe the month might be a little risky too, because for example, basic materials is still negative, and it's been negative for quite a while because Trump added those tariffs on China with the minerals. So basic materials is down for the month for the most part. There's some that are doing good, but if we go to like performance week, there's some negative for the quarter. So even that might be a little risky to do. So this is all like an educational curve. You pick the time frame that you want to do that has the most volume and weight to it. But this is a resource video for you guys to show you how to kind of look what sector's trending on the stock market.